Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Land Rover Discovery HSE Sport. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 240 horsepower and 250 pounds torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights. 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Beige leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Land Rover badging on the side. Discovery Sport HSE. Power liftgate. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Alongside we've got power windows. Power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, automatic transmission, cup holders. This Land Rover has 45,444 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Land Rover Discovery, check out feldmanimports.com.